This is Snow White. She is very kind and happy. This is Queen Silver. She is not happy. She wants to be the best. Queen Silver looks at her magic mirror. She asks, "Who is the best?" The mirror says, "Snow White is the best." The queen is very angry. Snow White goes into the big forest. She finds a tiny house. She meets a little dwarf named Pip. "Hello," says Snow White. Snow White helps Pip in the house. She cleans the floor. Pip is very happy to have a new friend. One day, Queen Silver comes to the house. She is wearing a big cloak. She has a red apple. "Please, eat this apple," says the queen. Snow White takes a big bite of the apple. Crunch! But she does not feel sleepy. She feels very fast. Her feet start to move. Snow White starts to dance. She spins and hops. She cannot stop. "Look at me," she shouts. Pip looks at her. He is very surprised. A man named Prince Dash rides by on his horse. He hears music. He sees Snow White dancing in the grass. Prince Dash loves to dance too. He joins Snow White. They hop, skip, and jump together. Dancing is so much fun. Queen Silver sees them. She tastes the apple too. Now she is dancing. Everyone is dancing and singing. They are all best friends now.